making meatballs today. I went ahead and added the ground beef and onions in. So let's go ahead and put these green, yellow, red peppers in here. I would say maybe about 1.5 cups. You know what I'm saying? Let's add some adobo. Some Italian seasoning.
Oh, this gonna be good.
Some crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm adding some Asiago cheese. Asiago, whatever. You know what I mean. And you can add as much as you want. It's totally up to you. It does produce oil, but it does also give a great flavor. Just go ahead and add that W sauce. Gotta have that W. And of course, you add as much as you want to preference. You know what I'm saying? Let's add some barbecue sauce. Of course, this is according to your liking. Don't chew me out. This is according to your liking. And maybe about 1/2 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Gotta have that. And 1 large egg. Mix that up real good. Don't play. Yo, mix this up real good. You see that? Mixing it up. Real good. Look at that. Alright, so let's go ahead and start forming up these meatballs. So you want to grab a bit, a little bit, a much bit, whatever, to how big you want the meatballs, and you form them and place them in the pan. Whatever shape you want to form them in, do it however you want. You could do logs, squares, circles, whatever you want. Stars, hearts, however you want it. So you want it to look like that. Barbecue meatballs. We almost there. We almost there. Alright, so what I did was I wrapped this up with saran wrap. Throw these in the refrigerator. Now I got them out the refrigerator. Maybe they was in there for about 2 hours. You can leave them in there as long as you need. Minimum 2 hours. So they looking good right now. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and put some more barbecue sauce on top. And what this is gonna do is give you, well, I would say it would form a soft crust that'll actually keep the meatballs and lock in the moisture. And it'll keep them very tender. So you can add what you like, whatever flavor you like. Barbecue sauce is up to you. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some garlic on the top of these. Gotta have that garlic. You tripping. You know what I mean? So that's how it's gonna look. And we're gonna add maybe about a half cup of water. And only a half cup because you don't want them to burn. You still want to keep them tender. And they're gonna produce their own liquid. We're gonna set that oven to 375 for about 45 minutes. No cover. That's what you got. Look at that. Kwrunchy. And if you learned something from this video, definitely leave a like, comment, let us know what you did, how it turned out for you, if you changed anything, so forth and so on. Yo, see you on the next one. Enjoy.